Welcome to Lyra Tech. Today, we're reviewing the Ninja DZ071 Foodi 6-in-1 FlexBasket Air Fryer, a versatile kitchen appliance that promises crispy, delicious meals with minimal effort. But is it really the best large-capacity air fryer for families? Let's find out. Loudspeaker. Check out the link in the description for the best price. Starting with the design, the Ninja DZ071 features a 7-quart MegaZone, which allows you to cook large proteins like whole chickens, steaks, or even an entire meal in one go. It also comes with a basket divider, so you can cook 2 different foods at the same time without mixing flavors. Now, let's talk about cooking performance. This air fryer uses smart finish technology, meaning you can set different cooking modes and both foods will finish at the same time. Whether you're air frying, roasting, broiling, baking, or reheating, the results are consistently crispy and evenly cooked. It's perfect for quick, healthy meals with less oil, making it a great option for families or meal preppers. When it comes to ease of use, the controls are intuitive, the basket is easy to clean, and it operates quieter than many air fryers on the market. Plus, it's energy efficient, saving you time and electricity compared to traditional ovens. Now, let's break down the pros and cons. On the positive side, you get a spacious cooking area, the ability to cook 2 foods at once, and consistent, crispy results. However, on the downside, this air fryer is large and takes up a lot of counter space, and it's more expensive than basic air fryers. So, is the Ninja DZ071 Foodi worth buying? If you're looking for an air fryer that can handle large meals, cook multiple foods at once, and deliver perfect crisping every time, this is definitely a top choice. But if you have limited counter space or need something more budget-friendly, you might want to consider a smaller model. Loudspeaker. Check out the link in the description for the best price. Fire. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more honest tech reviews. Stay tuned for more.